Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily remove a Google account on your CHiQ TV. So first, let's head over to the settings. Now scroll down until you guys see accounts and sign in. And here, you need to click on the account. Scroll all the way down until you guys see remove account. Now click it, and here you will be able to either sign in with another account or remove and reset the device entirely. So it's either this or that. I'll always choose the remove and reset device when I'm trying to sell it, or sign in with another account when I logged to the wrong one by an accident. So it's all up to you guys. If this video was helpful, then leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.